In this video, we're just going to do a roundup, go over the final numbers of the 2019 ukelikethepros donation drive that was all for the San Diego nonprofit music organization, Guitars and Ukuleles in the Classroom. Hi, I'm Terry Carter, and here at Ukelikethepros, for the last couple of years, we've been doing a donation drive for guitars and ukuleles in the classroom. 2018 one, we raised over $3,000. This year, our goal was over $8,000 or $8,000. So I'm happy to announce that part of that was this awesome Maui Music ukulele that was donated by one of the Ukelikethepros members for us to put up at my store, ukelikethepros.com. And so before this sold, and by the way, it did sell. I'll tell you more in a second though. But before it sold, we were slightly under our goal of 8,000. We were around like 7,200 and change. And that was just from the donations that we got, plus the $3,000 that Ukelikethepros threw in, mixed with some ukuleles, some call ukuleles that went to some of their teachers, and some cash as well. So we were just slightly under, but I knew that this would sell, and I'm so happy to announce that this Maui Music, just absolutely stunning. Really, really beautiful, beautiful instrument. Look at if I can get the right angle on this. You can just see this koa wood is just fantastic. But anyway, it sold to another Ukelikethepros premium member, Donna Williams. And I'm so excited because today I'm going to go up and meet Donna, who's also here in San Diego, and hand deliver this. So because of that, what happened? We blew past our $8,000 goal and almost got to $9,000, over $8,900 that we raised for guitars and ukuleles in the classroom. So that's been an awesome experience. So I just want to thank you for the support. Some of you donated, so thank you for that. And of course, thank you to Randy, our ukulele member, Ukelikethepros member that donated this Maui Music, and Donna for buying it. And there's a big thanks to Guitars and Ukuleles in the Classroom for all they do to bring music to schools that don't have music, underprivileged kids, just a variety of stuff that they help spread music and make sure that kids, especially kids, are growing up and still having music, especially guitars and ukuleles in their lives. So anyway, great cause. Next year, or this year, later on in 2020, we're going to bust that. I mean, that goal is not 10 because we're already almost at 10 now. So we'll go big. We'll go something like 15 or 20. So anyway, thanks for all your support. I appreciate you being here. Thanks for all the support here at Ukelikethepros. Leave a comment below if you donated or just were thinking about us, or, give a shout out. Congratulations to Guitars and Ukuleles in the Classroom, Donna, and also Randy for all the support they helped with that. So, all right, that's going to do it. I'll see you next time, and God bless.